So what do you do if a brand comments on one of your posts and says, hey, we want to use your content? Like, can we? Honestly, this is a sticky situation. There are a few ways to handle it, and I'm gonna tell you what I would do. I'm Kristen, I'm a creator monetization coach. I work with literally hundreds of creators every single day and help them negotiate their contracts and land more consistent, high-paying brand deals. First things first, if the brand is asking to use my content in any paid socials, the answer is no. There's literally no arguing, it's no. If the brand is putting any ad spend behind a piece of content, they're going to be making a very decent amount of money in many cases, so why would I not also be making money too? Hello? There's literally just no arguing that point. Like, stop giving away paid usage for free. Point number one. I don't love the idea of you doing gifted collaborations, but I will let it slide as long as you're not giving away that paid usage. So anyway, typically what I do in this situation is I'll respond to the comment and say, sending you a DM. And then I'll go send a DM that says, I'm super excited for us to work together. Can you share the email with me of who I should send this content to? We're being like a little sneaky, okay? Because we need to make sure we get some benefit out of this too. The reason we want this email is because then I have a direct email contact to someone who I know exists and I know works there that I can now initiate conversation with and hopefully move on to doing the anti-pitch method on them. I'd essentially send that brand an email saying, hey, you're a social person. They wanted to use this content, so I'm sending it over to you. However, while I'm here, I would love to introduce myself. And then we start to dive into the whole anti-pitch process. Also, P.S. if you've never heard of the anti-pitch method, we have so much information about it in Brand BFF. You can find it in our profile. And then honestly, from there, it's just bang, bang, boom. Like, we're moving to a paid partnership, my friends.